Let's go into the pepper. Place the root facing down. If there's a little bit of a core, just cut it off with your knife. That will create a stable environment for the pepper. Now, go from the center, and the pepper already has different types of sides. So we just follow the natural line of the pepper, and we start from the center, and we're gonna finish to the root, going in a circular motion just to follow the natural pattern of the pepper. Start from the top and let the knife work. That leaves all the seeds inside the pepper, nothing on our cutting board, and we're ready to cut. Whenever we are cutting peppers, we want to use the flesh side because it's a little bit softer, so the knife will cut through easier. I will show you the wrong side so you can see the difference. This is the skin, and even with a sharp knife, it goes through, but not as easy as when you flip it over. 3 fingers. Place your pinky and your thumb and hold the pepper down. Now if you want to dice, you're going to follow the same procedure like you did on your basic knife skills. Turn the julienne over and just go straight down for cubes. If you want to be more precise with your cut, you need to remove the rib by placing your knife against the pepper and your hand flat to protect your hand, and just go against the flesh and remove this rib cage right here. That will create a flatter surface, and then you want to remove the ends to make sure that they're completely straight. You could use this in a puree. And now we're going to make a fine brunoise. Put your blade against the straight line of the pepper. Go straight down for the perfect fine brunoise.